Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited, very proud to have Harshil with me today. 25 points towards his permanent residency. Very first attempt, NAATI Gujarati done, and now 8 each in PTE. Congratulations, Harshil.
Thank you very much, sir.
I've seen you working hard, group of friends, studying, laughing all the way, and I remember towards the end you were having a few problems in your reading and listening score, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? What you did? Because there are a lot of students out there who are facing problem in reading and listening. What you personally did, which helped you to get this score?
Yeah. So, in first, I was not attending the reading lectures, the classes which were held in the evening, and that was the reason I couldn't identify the grammar rules and all the strategies that are important to get the reading scores and blanks correct.
Correct.
So, after you said and as you advised with correct feedback, I attended all the classes, and then by practicing more and more and focusing more on blanks, I achieved my desired score.
Yes.
And in listening, I took all the mocks, which were very important. And due to that, all the tutors could identify my mistakes,
Yes.
and then due to which I scored good in listening as well.
That's 100% correct, Harshil. That's very important, right? Often what happens is whenever we tell the students to attend the reading sessions, reading practice class, they find it boring to attend it, right? It's not
Yeah.
it's not that fun to attend it, but once you attend it, you'll get to know what mistakes you're making, why the right answer is the right answer, and why the wrong answer is the wrong answer. If you don't know the reasoning, if you're just cramming the blanks, things can be difficult. Very important, if you're one of our students, make sure you attend the reading sessions. Very, very, very important. You have taken a number of full mock tests as well, Harshil. How important a full mock test, and what did you do in read alouds?
Yeah, so if you take the single mock test, you will only get the idea of only that thing. But if you take the full mock test, then you will have what pressure you have during the exams and how to cope up with the time and everything during the exams as well.
That's right.
So it is really very important to take the full mock test and to get right feedback from the Language Academy.
That's 100% correct. Guys, very important, because when you're doing the listening mock test, when you're doing speaking mock test, that's good. That's good enough to give you some idea. But you are not nervous. You don't have the time pressure. You don't have that nervousness. And that is where full mock test comes in very handy. You have to make sure you expose yourself to the worst case scenario. You know the ins and outs of the exam before you go for the exam and crack your exam like Harshil did. Any advice for NAATI CCL? Very first attempt, NAATI CCL Gujarati, you have done. Any advice for that as well?
Yeah, so when I took the NAATI CCL, Gujarati, it was newly introduced. So no one was having any idea about how the exam would be.
Yep.
But yeah, the sentences and all the practice that is done in the Language Academy, you should just cope up with that and just keep practicing for that, and you will be able to crack it.
That's 100% correct. Doesn't matter which test is it. If it's your PT, your NAATI, or your IELTS, you need to make sure you practice, you get the feedback, you work hard, but most importantly, you work hard in the right direction. If you do so, you are going to claim 25 points towards your residency. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir.
That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing: if he has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. You just need to make sure you work hard and work hard in the right direction. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.